sa lahat daw ng sacraments, there are two important things. Una, matter. Ano yung matter? Usually, ito yung gamit na bahagi ng ating pagdiriwang.
Smooth like a waterfall, I see in the calm. You are the summer, you are the sun, you are the
For example, in baptism, matter is water. In confirmation, matter is the oil. Yun ang unang mahalaga, matter.
I want you to know you're the first love. I want you to know the grace you're made of. I want you to feel that you're mine, dear. Whoa. And I want you to know.
In marriage, ang matter is no other than love, pag-ibig. Kasi kapag nawala ang pag-ibig, walang kasal. May singsing man, may aras man, may kandila man, may cord man. Pag walang pag-ibig, there is no matter. There is no marriage. To bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband, Adrian?
Yes, Father, I do.
Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father, I do.
Simula sa araw na ito, kayo ay magkasama bilang mag-asawa dahil ang inyong pinapangarap ay mas maging mabunga ang inyong buhay kasama ang bawat isa.
And you know